2009 Lexus LS460. Excellent condition. Sport aluminum alloy wheels with new tires. Dual chrome tip exhaust. Very well kept gray leather seats. Retractable rear shade. Vanity mirrors for the rear passengers. Comes with the luxury package. Memory driver seat and front passenger seat. Heated and cooled front seats. Navigation. Backup camera. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth. Power retractable mirrors. Heated steering wheel. Just under 121,000 miles. And it's got a sunroof as well. Come by and see us at U Cars.